Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today is Wow Wednesday and this is the look of the day. Check me out. Okay, I've used Blue Heavens. It's a bright red lipstick. This it's they don't give the name of the shade, but it's like absolutely like the cherry red, reddish kind of a stuff, which I had in Sugar Pop, and that was just 2 grams, and it got over in 4 or 5 application, and that was more matty and more powdery kind of a feel. This is different. Basically, they only in a lipstick they just make it either glossy or they make it matty or powdery. So Sugar Pop had that powdery kind of a feel, a texture which was a little different, but they're such big cheats. It's just 2 grams. So I'm going to literally tell them, A, your prices are so steep. Please check your grams in your lipsticks. People are just lutofying the customers. Let's do some grass walking. The grass is cold. I think it's watered. I think so. Some water. I think it's the dewdrop. Can you see my feet? You can see my feet. So cold. I said everybody. Okay, I don't know about most of the people, and I'm sure most of the people must be having some garden in their vicinity. Whatever is there in 2 kilometers, please move that ass and get to a green space so the mind is immediately relaxed when you're in a green environment, and see to that there is not too much activity around. Energy matters. I just claim my space. Okay, I was eating my avla, then I have got half of it. I said, because of my people are taking my healthy habits and they're like taking tips and saying we are following it. I said yes, you need to follow it. Green grass. It improves. Actually, I'm not too fond of these bready bakery things. But then, as I said, let me try out. Now I should inculcate one more habit. One of them is being grateful while eating food, in the sense literally like those Japanese. And one thing I say, namaste means bowing. You see, these Japanese will keep bowing like this. So it is like the culture, just to, it's out of respect. Okay, now that Anda has got a booming business. He comes at around 7:30 and he's crowded. Before there was not much crowd. Now there's so much of crowd. Now he made me wait longer so that it looks like a posh customer bhi khada hai na. And I'm getting a little impatient because all these church people will be coming down, and then this unnecessary. It's not about them also, but unnecessary this na. Earlier there used to be no crowd. I used to be the only person who should stand there and take it and run away. But now there's so much crowd. Today I was wondering, is there a mela laga hai kya yahan pe? It is the good vibrations, and I told him, come early, come at 7:30. You'll get all this crowd. You'll get that people who are coming early, and plus this church people. So, and overall that crowd there was too much of a crowd. That was another reason I said मैं बाद में आती हूँ करके. बाद में मुझे उल्टा जाने की हिम्मत नहीं है tomorrow. When you're waking up, always say thank you, Lord, for a beautiful day. Make a very small prayer. No need to give all this manifestation. I want this, I want that. In fact, most of the time, earlier I used to do that. Now I have the best of times when my things are unscheduled. My breakfast are super good, and my energy level, you won't believe. Did I say that I've been like they were waiting ki madam, because I recommend customers to good places, so they are like, हमने मैडम के लिए बिरयानी रखी थी. That also Paji tells me, because he went to get the biryani, so he said मैडम के लिए बिरयानी रखी थी हमने. So I'm like, wow, that's the kind of influence you should be having on people. So today I'm going to have, से मैडम अपना नंबर दीजिए, हम कॉल करेंगे आपको. ऐसा ले लीजिए. The minute I went there ना, because I'm not fond of this तंदूरी बिरयानी, मैंने बोला मलाई सीख बिरयानी है, तो इसे मैडम ये ऑर्डर से बनता है. इसे बनता होगा लेकिन मेरे लिए सेपरेटली रख लो. So they remember me asking the thing which was not there. The whole crowd is here. Why are kids here? So I was quite happy. I'm so tired, I can just fall down, sleep here. Like literally, I can lie down on this ground. Someday I might just like lie down on this grass itself. That exhaustion is so much. I was in such a deep sleep. I woke up and I said, नहीं फटाफट फटाफट भागते रहो. Before 8 o'clock over here, touch base. Spend time grass walking. The plan for the day. And look, earrings. Just like Ravina Tandon used to wear in 90s, वैसा. Isn't that cool? That Ravina Tandon had that high ponytail and these kind of stuff. I think that loop earring suited her so much more. I think I should get a water bottle. But I'm wondering कौन सी वाली. कॉपर का तो है, कॉपर का ग्लास है. So I'm wondering which. पैसे होते ना तो चांदी का फ्लास्क लेकर घूमती. Just fond of silver. ताली कौन बजा रहा है? ताली बजाना 2 मिनट, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट तक ताली बजाओगे तो हाथ दुखेगा. फालतू का शोर और दूसरों के लिए स्ट्रेस. I've seen people doing exercises out of like, I don't know. It gives me a lot of stress. That's the reason why when I go to Pond Park, I'm like, Bhagwan, I should go there before 6:30. 6:55, I wind up because उन लोग बहुत शोर मचाते हैं. So that's becoming very irritating. They are behaving like tribals now, shouting and screaming. Like in movies, wellness and well-being. Always check out new places. See, they told me to give the review of this also. I told the chocolate chai अच्छी है. बाकी का as in when I get time and I have the patience, I will give the review. But as of now मेरे reviews एकदम highly recommended रहते हैं. Cosmetics, they said, check your cosmetics when you're buying online. They make 100% profit in online. Means if it is costing, the lipstick must cost maybe 50 rupees just in making and designing and stuff. Maybe just 50 rupees. They'll charge you 500 rupees because of their design, packaging, shipping, bhandi, all the marketing. The lipstick is manufactured in a particular. They don't manufacture lipsticks. This is one single manufacturer. But the packing and design and the logo which you have to give. Understand that. So don't be, अरे ये कितने बड़े ब्रांड का है, ये ब्रांड का होगा, उसमें केमिकल भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. The more matty it is, the more chemicals in it. Arsenic, mercury. Because they has to make it long lasting. So they put a lot of chemicals. Better to use ऐसा लिपस्टिक खा गया निकल गया, रीटच कर दिया, that is okay. After all, it is not a Berger paint that it should stay on your lips. If it doesn't, it's okay, we can retouch it. If it is messy, can't be helped, it's a lipstick. So I have been checking out a lot of herbal lipstick, Ayurvedic lipsticks. End of the day, they have to put preservatives. अगर वो जितना भी बोलते हैं natural है, it is not natural. क्योंकि preservatives लगते हैं और वो preservative chemicals के ही होते हैं. So don't say हम लोग तो natural products use करते हैं. And the amount they spend on marketing, उनका वो website पे उन लोग मार्केटिंग पे उन लोग अपना 50% ऑफ देयर अर्निंग्स आर स्पेंड ऑन मार्केटिंग. तो नेचुरली तुम्हारे So let's go now. So understand, this online business is absolutely a lootmar business, but it's just how each brand markets it in packaging and designing. That is more important. And generally they are tied up with these other online people so that their sales keep moving. Okay, so that is the way they make lots of volume, because their only single website doesn't sell that much. But when they are tied up with other people, ये तो आयुर्वेदिक है, ये तो हर्बल है, फाइन, go for it. 1500 for like such a tiny little jar, whatever. Okay, I need to push off. See y'all. I'm tired. Bye. I think I'll just check out right away. मैं बैठ गई ना, यहाँ लेट जाऊँगी मैं. Okay, take care, bye.